nag-work sa una da Zara. Janitress ko da sa Zara sa una. Di ako nag-work. Alas 5 ko kumata. Tapos mahuman ko work mga alas 10:30. Kaya mag-open dari alas 11. So alas 10 di ay. So mo nilang center dari sa Aveiro guys, Central.
Manca Zara, no?
No.
Zara?
I don't fucking miss Zara.
Why not? You have a lot of things in Zara.
Yes, that's why I don't like it.
Why don't you like it?
I don't like it because they are not durable. Kasi ko si color. So this is your favorite restaurant, right? What's the name? Adriano. Why do you like this restaurant for 10 years?
Because he always asks if I want a bloody soup, and I never want a bloody soup. You can put the soup in your ass.
We don't understand. So that is the Adriano guys, the owner of this amazing and the most famous and the most delicious restaurant in Aveiro. Favorite of my husband. So he will have the codfish with fried codfish, escabeche with potato, and then the red and green bell pepper. May pamandila pancha. Arrivederci guys. Goodbye, sayonara, paalam with this gorgeous codfish guys. This is the best codfish in Portugal for me. You go to Adriano restaurant. This is not in the menu. It's exclusives. You must order before you're coming here. Yummy. Look. It's made with love. First gift for 45 years.
Amazing!
Wow! Cellulare.
No, Bluetooth.
Ah, Bluetooth? Is there a price?
No, per cambiare.
Ah, cool. Huawei Watch GT2E. Che figata, you like watch. Open.
Mio figlio Lecce, sei grandissimo. Come si apre?
Wow. Grande loro. Intero. Wow, pesante.
Come si mette? Così.
Huawei Watch G22E46. Okay. Show us. Dave, spin, no?
Tocca...
Non ce l'ho, non lo so.
I'm not above. Let me be myself. I'm not above. Let me be myself.
Questo è nuovo.
Che? Il nostro?
Non so io, lei, tutto lei.
Sta cazzata,
Io metto qui.
Mettiamo lì, poi sul cazzo di chi viene dentro, fra. Basta che danno di nuovo la sottosta.
La fortuna che hai messo qui la carta che è ancora nuova. C'è più?
No, ho buttato questa merda,
Merda questa.
Quello, televisione.
Set back to normal. It's the stuff of the senora in the house. That one. With white cafe. Luggage check. Here already clean. Rest. Everything I put it here. That's the last bits. The last bits. Hawa. Sempre in the so here was the stuff of the senora in the house.
Questo? Quello è il nostro? Questo?
Sì,
Questo?
lo mettiamo.
Metto via?
Non lo butta via, the senora. Already give you which the questa. Metto qui.
Non te lo fa passare Ellen.
Non la metto già.
Vabbè, questo se lo compra, sei tutto.
Back. So guys, last December we transferred this house, and there are a lot of kitchen utensils with a label how many glasses. So what I do, I put everything here instead of this paper, and since we don't have space in the house, so I put it under the bed, and now it looks clean because I put it in the plastic and then covered with a lot of paper. So that's how you maintain the cleanliness and safe utensils if you are transferring in a rental house where you can find fully furnished. So this one back here, this one goes here. Yan. See, everything looks clean and neat, and I'm done, completely done. So I'm done, guys. So fucking done. Done. Here. Stuff here. And see as well here. Yeah, done. Done. Down, down.